We'll guide you through how to create digital art in Krita. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Krita on your desktop. Once it's open, you'll be greeted by the welcome screen. Go ahead and click on New File to start a fresh canvas. Here, you can set your canvas size and resolution. For digital art, a common choice is 3000 by 3000 pixels with a resolution of 300 dpi. This gives you plenty of room to work with and ensures high quality. Once your canvas is ready, take a look at the brush tool located on the left toolbar. Krita offers a wide variety of brushes. You can find them by clicking on the brush icon and exploring the brush presets. If you want to customize a brush, click on the brush editor and tweak the settings like size, opacity, and texture. Now, let's set up your layers. Layers are crucial in digital art as they allow you to separate different elements. Click on the Layers panel on the right and click the Pointgok icon to add new layers. You might want to create a new layer for each part of your drawing, like one for the background and another for the character. This way, you can work on them independently. When you start drawing, use the Ctrl+Z shortcut to undo any mistakes. It's a handy trick to remember. Another important tool is the color picker, which you can access by pressing P on your keyboard. This lets you quickly grab any color on your canvas. Once you're happy with your piece, save your work by going to File, then Save As, and choose a format like PNG or JPEG for sharing online. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.